Hello everyone. Today we are going to take our homework about how to use the verb to be in past tense. So let's go. First of all, you have to fill in the blanks using was or were. Let's check the sentences. Here it says Martin and Sam were ill yesterday. It was example. But then the weather. The weather is it, so the weather was very good last year. My brother and my father are they, so they were at the cinema last night. Benson is he, so Benson was in England last summer. My brother and I are we, so I say we are in present tense and we were in past tense. We were at the concert last week. You, you are you? So in past tense, were you at school yesterday? Okay, that's the first part. Then we have to write these sentences in past tense. Jane and Michael are doctors. Jane and Michael are they, so they were doctors in past tense. She's in the museum. She was. It's a big dog. It is. So it was a big dog. You are my friend. In the past tense, I say you were my friend. They aren't engineers. They weren't. We aren't happy. We weren't again. I'm very tired. I was very tired. You aren't tall enough. You weren't tall enough. Then we are in the kitchen. We were in the kitchen. Paula isn't interested in books, so Paula wasn't interested in books. Everyone is ready. Everyone was ready. Is present tense, a verb to be was past tense. I'm not busy. I wasn't busy or I was not busy. The last activity, you have to recognize if you use the was or were form. He was a writer, of course. We were at the office. Were you a good swimmer? They weren't lucky. That's a pity. I was very thirsty. It wasn't very difficult. And finally, was she your aunt? That was our homework. Thank you very much.